Why should you use BlueDriver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBDII scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. BlueDriver is the tool professionals use to save time and money when you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver. Not only will you get the trouble code, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes from the identification of experienced ASE Certified Mechanics. BlueDriver is simple to use. Just purchase the BlueDriver sensor, available on our website or from Amazon. Download a free app, plug the sensor into your OBDII port and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it, you've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes. Then when the issue is fixed, use BlueDriver to turn the check engine light off. With BlueDriver you can view a lot of data of your vehicle, engines in, cooling system check to see if you'll pass with smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostic and reading, clear airbag, transmission, ABS and other module code. BlueDriver built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan to a